this is the real deal ring dinger table.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So you've watched a lot of these videos.
Oh my gosh, I've watched so many of them.
Yeah, those pins are gonna go just above that iliac crest right there. And
Okay.
just slide down a little bit more. Good, and nice big breath in. All the way up.
Oh my god. Oh.
It's the real deal.
I don't think I've ever heard of Rickert like that.
That's pretty good.
Holy smokes.
Anywhere that you felt that in particular?
My neck.
Yep.
So us Midwesterners love this thing.
That's right. Yeah, good. And once more. Nice. That's really good.
I'm still kicking.
That's right.
Don't worry, it did hurt me a bit.
Sorry.
I love those.
All right, Dan is back for a second visit, and you had a pretty good experience the first time that you came in.
There
That was
it is.
about a little over a week ago, right?
Yep.
You mentioned that you had gone on a car ride, is that right?
Yes. Usually it would give me a lot of issues. Driving, I had a work trip, drove 4 hours each way, and I noticed afterwards I had 0 issues during the drive. I was extremely happy.
That's awesome. So we like relief anytime patients come in, but we like sustained relief even more. And that's seems to be what that was your experience when you came in, and fast forward a week or so.
That was the most impressive thing to me, was the sustained relief. And very happy about that. Just remember, you'll feel better once it stops hurting.
That's right. Oh yeah. Nice big breath in, breathe into your nose, out through your mouth. Good, in through the nose, out through the mouth. And again.
Hey, I'm still kicking.
He's still kicking. Yep.
That was good.
Good, and again. Again, one more time.
Yes. Still kicking.
He's still kicking. All right.
Yep.
Good. Again.
Nice. Wow.
Yeah, nice big breath in. And again.
Yes.
That's good.
That was a good one. Wow.
Oh, nice. Yes, good move.
Holy smokestacks. Now, one thing I really appreciate you is your patience. You just never seem to rush, and I
Yeah, that's
appreciate
good.
that so much. You're so focused on positioning and all that, and
A little bit more.
thank you.
Keep your teeth together, breathe into your nose, out through your mouth. Good, and again.
Nice.
Pin cushions go up okay?
Oh yes. Yep. Oh, that stretch is so good. Oh,
And
look at that. I'm still kicking. Yep, you're still kicking. Just remember, everyone, don't stop hurting once it feels better.
slide down.
Yep. There we go. Oh yeah, that feels good.
Not too snug around the neck.
Nope. Not at all.
All right, big Rickert.
Oh yeah.
That was good.
That was good.